How to get premium subscription on Mondly. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would be learning how you can get premium subscription on Mondly, and here is how to go about it. Now, first of all, I must let you know that Mondly offers a premium subscription that provides full access to the entire app. Yeah, very cool, right? You have over 250 plus lessons organized into 40 practical topics, 36 vocabulary builders, amongst others. So the best way on getting premium subscription on Monthly is by logging in into your premium account first of all. So once you are logged in, you can just go to the top right corner of the screen and then click on the crown icon that you can see there. Once you click on it, you can see learn faster with premium, unlock all content, etc. Then scroll down and then you can now go ahead and accept it. Or another way is by going to the top left corner of the screen. Once you click on it, I'll take you to the settings page. You can see two options here, which is my account and then go premium. So just go ahead and click on Go Premium and then the same page. And then on this page, you can see the different premium packages available. The 1 month, 12 months, or the 12 months. So you can just go ahead and select it and then you wait for it to load. All right, and then once it has loaded, the next step would be for you to add a credit or a debit card. Once you click on add credit or debit card, you'll be redirected to a page where you'll be asked to enter in your card details. All right, and then go ahead, enter it in, and then after doing that, payments would be deducted from your account, and then you'd get the monthly premium. And I'm sure you won't regret it, okay? So if you can afford it, why not go ahead and do it? So that's it. This is how you can get monthly premium subscription. Thanks for watching and ensure you have a good day.